Okay, you guys are on. They catch it? Oh! Waleed? Waleed? Oh my god!
Oh.
Erica!
Go! Come on! Jutsu! Come here!
Oh my gosh! You okay, Ryan? Ryan, what happened?
Why are you so weird?
Ryan, you okay?
You alright, Ryan?
Did you fall?
You bleeding?
You okay?
What happened?
Alex smacked me. He was coming down. Alex, you smacked him.
Mean to.
I'm just kidding. How do you feel about that?
It is just yourself.
No! No! It's gonna break! Tyson, number 12. You don't! That's Mr. Henry's house! Mr. Henry.
Who? What?
He's the one who nominated me.
Mr. Kling?
Mr. Henry! My neighbor. What's taking forever? There's a person in a bike. Waleed.
Oh shit! Oh snap! He's up there just almost got ran over.
No.
Keep going.
No.
Oh.
No.